Hello everyone, welcome back to Practical BIM Learning. In today's video, I'm going to explain selection control icon in Revit, which are located at the bottom right corner of the screen. These small icons are very powerful because they help you avoid wrong selections, prevent accidental movement, work safely with linked model. Let's understand each icon one by one. In real projects, especially in BIM coordination, we work with architectural model, structural model, and MEP models. If we accidentally select or move something, it can create major issues. These icons help you control what you select, avoid mistakes, and improve modeling accuracy. These icons are available in the bottom bar of Revit near the view control area. First one. This options allows or restrict the selection of linked model. When it is on, you can select linked files. When it is off, you cannot select linked files. Example, if you are working on MEP and accidentally selecting the architecture model, turn off, turn this off. This is very important for coordination work. Also, click once. Select the entire link, press tab, select individual elements inside the link. Second one, select underlay elements. This option allows selection of elements from an underlay view. This is useful for multi-level coordinations. If you don't want to accidentally select underlay elements, keep this option turned off. Third one, select pinned elements. This controls the selection of pinned or locked elements. When it is off, you cannot select pinned elements. When it's on, you can select and unpin them. This is if you don't want to accidentally move locked elements, turn this off. Fourth one is select element by face. This allows you to select elements by clicking on their surface. Example, click on the middle of a wall or floor to select it. When this option is off, you must click the edge of the elements. This is useful for hosting components and quick selection. Fifth one, drag elements on selection. This allows you to move elements by simply dragging them. But problem is you may accidentally move elements. Recommendations, please always keep this off for safety purpose. This is background process. This shows process running in the background such as color fill updates, calculations. It helps you understand if Revit is processing something or not. Last one, this is used for filter selected elements. Example, you can select all elements and you can filter by duct, ignore fittings. This is very useful in complex models. Before starting your work, always check these options. My recommendation is just turn off select link selection, pinned element, and drag elements. A real project scenario while working on MVP, if link selection is on, you may accidentally select architectural elements. If drag is on, elements may move unfortunately, unintentionally. This can lead to coordination errors. So today we learned what are selection control icons, how they work, Why they are important? These small tools can save you from big mistakes. If you found this video helpful, like, share, subscribe to Practical Beam Learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.